Welcome to A View to a Grill. I'm Johnny. Today is the 6th episode of our Let's Lose Weight series. The first thing I want to say is I am happy to report that mission is accomplished. I have completed my lose weight goal. In this episode, I'm going to show you exactly how I came up with those 3 principles that I use in each one of my previous videos. Now, the first thing I did was figure out how many calories do I need to burn to lose 1 pound. So I went over to this website where I'll link it in the description. It says that it takes about 3,500 calories to burn 1 pound. The next thing you'll do is fill out the panel according to your age, height, weight, and gender. And then it came back with these results that says 2,415 calories a day maintains my weight. 1,915 will allow me to burn about a pound a week. How do I get to that goal? 500 calories a day. Well, I figure I need to walk about 7,000 steps a day. According to my iPhone health tracker, walking more than 7,000 steps a day will allow me to burn about 124 calories a day. And then some simple math, 124 times 7 gets me about 868 calories a week. And now I need to burn some additional calories. And the way I'm going to do that is by exercise. Now, the 2 programs that I figured will burn the most would be a circuit or this HIIT exercise routine. If I do it for 15 minutes a day, not 30, but 15, I'm going to burn an additional 250 calories a day. I'm going to be doing this HIIT exercise every other day. So, some weeks will be 3 days, some weeks will be 4 days. So 3.5 times 250 gets me at 875 calories a week. So the 868 calories I burn from walking and the 875 calories that I burn from my exercise routine roughly puts me at about 1,750 calories a week, or 250 calories a day. That puts me about halfway there according to this website. Now, the rest of the calories have to come from what I eat. So that's what gets me the less than 2,000 calories a day. And there are 3 items that I figured that I can cut that got me that extra 250 calories a day that I needed. And that was a lot less cheese, a lot less drinking, and a lot less sweets. Now, you saw that in all the recipes that I did throughout this series. The grilled cilantro and limed sirloin steaks, fantastic. The item that gave me the most flavor for my calorie buck was salsa, hands down. If you're going to go on a diet, make yourself some salsa. It gives you a ton of flavor for very few calories. Another easy way to count your calories are these single serving items, such as burritos, like this ancho chili burrito that I did, or tacos. Because if you build every taco the exact same, they're going to all be the exact same calorie. So you can eat 3 tacos if they're 150 calories each for 450 calories if you leave some things off of your taco, and that is mainly the cheese. And also notice I was not afraid of a ton of carbs. So this stuffed chicken pita, even though I did eat a whole pita here, that pita bread was only 80 calories, and I stuffed it with mostly greens, a little bit of chicken, and some feta cheese. Alright, so let's wrap this up with my final did I gain or lose weight. If you remember, I started off this series at 207.8 pounds. Now, if you want to see my whole weight loss journey, start off on week 1. If you look now at week 9, I finished week 9 off at 193.4 pounds. I finished week 10 off at 192 pounds. Week 11, 189.4 pounds. Finally, week 12, where I accomplished my goal, 186.8 pounds, which is a series loss of 21 pounds in 12 weeks. And now let's take a look at some body shots. Now, if you remember back in week 1, I took some measurements of my chest and of my gut. And just as a reminder, in week 1, my chest was 46 inches. And in week 12, my chest was 44 inches. So I lost 2 inches off my chest. Now, in week 1, around my gut was 45 inches. And in week 12, around the same area was 40 inches. And so that's 5 inches around my gut. The ratio between my chest and my gut also increased, which is how it should be, I think. Your chest should always be bigger than your gut. Now we can take a quick view from the side, and you can see that there's a huge difference. 21 pounds makes a huge difference visually as well. From the front, you can see how baggy the same t-shirt is. And then if we look at the other side, same difference, baggy t-shirt. Now, do I feel better? You know, I really can't tell you if I feel better or not, because I don't think I really felt bad 12 weeks ago. There is one thing that I have noticed that has happened since I've lost weight, and it's weird, right? It's that I don't pee as often. I don't have to pee as much anymore. I don't wake up in the middle of the night to have to go pee anymore. That's it, maybe. I know, that's weird. Why am I sharing that with you? Because that is literally the only difference that I can actually quantify. Or now, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, do that now. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, y'all.